Good morning. My name is Brian. I'm the lead assembler at Supervac Fans. Today we're going to be swapping out a potentiometer. First things first, we're going to take a little 1/16 Allen wrench, take off the little knob here. There's a set screw on the bottom of it. After that, we're going to remove 6 screws on the cover here. This is a 9/64 Allen. Here we're going to find our potentiometer wires. They are usually tucked back in the corner here. So it's our purple, orange, and white guy here. We're going to disconnect that. A little 13mm socket. Grip it from the back. Take off our hex nut. There is a little lock washer in here as well. You have to move as many of the wires out of the way as you can. Come out at an angle. I'm going to bring the new one up through there. Keep our lock washer in place. Screw the nut back on. We're going to keep the wires at a 90-degree angle here. Get it nice and tight. Reattach our quick connect. We're going to stick our butt connected wires back down in here first. Get everything nice and flush. We're going to keep your wires off of the screw holes or heat inserts. Putting the covers back on, I like to start with 2 of the corners and then 1 in the middle. This little guy, we're going to turn counterclockwise until it stops. And we'll reattach the knob with the line facing up towards the decal. Tighten it back in place. Easy peasy. That's it for swapping out potentiometer. Nothing too crazy. Hope it helps.